Are you having trouble pasting numbers into Windows 11 Calculator app? Then let's have a look at what might help you from pasting numbers into the calculator. Now, if you're attempting to paste a complex number, you will have to look elsewhere. This is because, unfortunately, there's no currently fix to the invalid input error that occurs with complex numbers. But if you're pasting and nothing is happening, there's a good chance you need to update your version of Windows 11. And for you to do that, you can just open Settings, click Windows Update, then click Check for Updates. However, if you're still unable to update Windows for one reason or another, you can just try using the Windows built-in app. You just have to search Run, type in Calc, then press Enter. But if that method still did not work, you can try opening your Microsoft Store, look for other calculator apps available on the market for your needs. But some of the applications you can try are Calculator Pro HD, Nature Play, Super Calculator 8, Sticky Calculator, Calculator Plus, and many more. So that's how you can fix if your Windows 11 is not allowing copy-paste into your calculator app. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.